Thanks for tuning in to Backwoods Tales today. As you can see, these crews are in full force out here trying to get the roads and lines cleared of all of the trees and debris. There's a lot of destruction to the trees out there, and you'll notice that the skyline is missing power poles because so many of them have snapped. If you're just now joining us, please check out my other videos in this playlist, and you can get caught up on what has been happening up here in northern Michigan with this terrible ice storm. We're gonna hop right into the cleanup here on our own property. I went back to work on Friday once power was restored to the office, and Nick was busy cleaning the backyard. Here's a reminder from our previous video of what the backyard looked like before. And there's a lot more cleanup left to do, so we invite you to come along with us. Well, who knows? I think that if we ever do get the trails cleaned up out in the woods again, that I can still take this old truck out berry picking. There was a big branch that came down on the chicken run and dented it pretty good here, but honestly I feel like worse things could have happened, and we're gonna get it cleaned up, and hey, maybe I'll get a new chicken run. Thanks for coming along with us today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see more fun content just like this. And stay tuned because there's some big stuff coming here in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.